Hello and welcome. I am Thamizharasu, a business coach dedicated to empowering professionals and organizations to achieve their highest potential. Today, we are diving into the world of IT project management, a field that plays a pivotal role in driving technological innovation and business success. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore essential subtopics that encompass the very heart of managing IT projects. Whether you are steering a team on a complex methodological venture or aspiring to elevate your understanding of IT project management, this video is crafted just for you. Join me as we unfold methodologies, strategies, real-world case studies, future trends, and much more. Each section is designed to provide you insight and actionable takeaways that can shape your journey in the IT project management landscape. So grab a seat and let's embark on this exciting journey together. If you have not already, please subscribe to stay updated on more insight. And don't forget to hit the like button if you find this video valuable. Let's get started.
1. Understanding IT project management. Project management is about applying project management principles to technology projects. It includes planning, executing, monitoring, and closing projects, using methodologies, frameworks, and tools tailored to the IT industry. 2. Key principles in IT project management. The success of IT projects often hinges on principles like alignment with business goals, effective communication with stakeholders, and robust risk management strategies. Understanding these principles is vital for project success. 3. Agile versus waterfall. Choosing between agile and waterfall methodologies is essential. Agile emphasizes flexibility, while waterfall follows a linear approach. Selecting the right methodology can significantly impact project outcomes. 4. The role of technology in IT project management. Modern IT project management heavily relies on tools and platforms for task tracking, collaboration, and more. Leveraging technology can streamline processes and enhance productivity. 5. Risk management in IT project management. Identifying and managing risks is crucial for project success. Employing strategies and best practices can minimize negative impacts and set the project on the path to success. 6. Building effective teams in IT project management. People are the backbone of any project. Building effective teams, leading them wisely, and motivating them appropriately are central to successful IT project management. 7. Quality assurance in IT project management. Ensuring quality through controls, monitoring, and evaluation guarantees the delivery of successful IT projects. Quality assurance is about meeting standards and exceeding expectations. 8. Cost control in IT project management. Budgeting, cost estimation, and control are vital for IT projects. Proper strategies can help keep the project on track financially, avoiding unnecessary overspending. Cost control in IT project management requires meticulous planning, accurate estimation, ongoing monitoring, and strategic adaptation. By employing well-defined strategies and utilizing specialized tools, project managers can optimize the budget and ensure that IT projects remain financially viable. 9. The future of IT project management. The future is exciting, with emerging trends like AI, machine learning, and virtual collaboration shaping the IT project management landscape. Staying ahead of these trends ensures ongoing success. 10. Case studies in IT project management. Real-world examples provide invaluable insights. Analyzing successful projects helps understand what went right and what can be improved, offering practical lessons for future endeavors. Case Study 1. Implementing Agile methodology in a global corporation. 1. Overview. A global corporation transitioning from traditional to Agile methodology across multiple teams. 2. What went right? Successful collaboration, iterative improvement, and enhanced customer satisfaction. 3. Challenges and improvements. To balance global standards with local needs, more extensive training is required. 4. Key takeaways. Importance of alignment with organizational culture, continuous communication, and flexibility. Case Study 2. Development of a secure cloud infrastructure. 1. Overview. Designing and implementing a secure cloud infrastructure for a financial institution. 2. What went right? Robust security measures, smooth migration, and reduced costs. 3. Challenges and improvements. Managing third-party vendors, more proactive risk management. 4. Key takeaways. Attention to security details, vendor management, and regular monitoring. Project management is a complex yet rewarding field. By embracing the principles and practices we've explored, you can lead successful IT projects and innovate within this dynamic field. If you found this guide valuable, please hit the subscribe button below. Stay tuned for more insights, strategies, and tips on IT project management. Thank you for watching.